Hi y'all, today I am trying out tortillas, enchiladas, with this nobody boba drink from Boba Tea Company. And this is actually a large, which is the largest, called a smooch. If you want a medium, it's called a kiss, and if you want a small, it's called a hug. But today I got the little smooch. Okay. Just try to open this thing up. That's the straw. Just pop it in. Oh, so creamy. Oh yeah, this is called Snow Buddy though, actually. Really called Snow Buddy. And actually on the Snow Buddy has the flavors it comes with on this. It's actually coconut, vanilla bean, guava, peach, cream, and white tea. So let's give it a try. I'm having a Korean drink with Mexican food. Oh my god, I am so doing a mukbang. It definitely tastes of tea in it. Has a weird taste, but it's okay. It's good. I like it. Now, this is a Garcia's version of an enchilada. So, let's just try the Garcia's version of an enchilada. Ready? Let's try. Cut. Like, they don't even put enough lettuce, no garnishes. Like, really? Seriously? That's all the garnishes they put on this enchilada? Like, what's all my veggies? Wow. Well, I guess that's a Garcia's enchiladas for you. I love lettuce too. I like all that lettuce and enchiladas together. Oh well. Didn't even get my chili. Where's my chili? I asked for red or green chili, and there's no green chili in it. It's like so dry and plain. Oh my gosh. Garcia's, you are a really bad orderer. I get no chili, not one chili. I asked for red and green on the side. Oh well, it's okay. It's still good though. But yeah. If you tried Garcia's before, let me know down in the comments below. And if you actually tried this Boba Tea Company place, let me know. What flavor have you tried? And yeah, we'll try to get some more, taste more of this stuff. Yeah, I've had it like, I don't know how many times, maybe like 3 or 4 times now. But yeah. We definitely have to try some more of this one. I really love the boba drinks. I have the one that pops in your mouth, and I had like the longer ones. Those ones I don't really care about. I just got the regular boba today, which is supposed to be the chewy ones. But yeah, I do like those bubbles. It has like juice. It just, like, literally pops right in your mouth, and it's like so juicy. Those ones are the good ones. But I didn't get that one today. I just wanted the regular boba. Yeah. And if you had the Garcia's Mexican place, please let me know down in the comments if you tried it and what you tried there. And yes, we'll actually have to try some more food from there. I've had this a little bit of time as well. But this is the first time I just had the enchiladas from there. But yeah, I am here in Albuquerque, New Mexico, of course. Yeah. Just let me know wherever you'd like me to try, and if next, if you like seeing videos like this, maybe I'll have a mukbang of the Garcias, or maybe a mukbang of different boba drinks. But yeah. This is so good though. This is so really good. It just needs more garnishes, and I need the chili. It's like so dry though, but it's still good though. I still like it. It's a chewy. I just got a boba in my mouth. It's chewy. Yeah. It looks like a little pearl. They look like little tiny pearls. Or as my friend would say, when I first tried it out like 4 years ago at this grocery store called Lily's. Me and her was going on our way to work. We stopped at Lily's, Korean grocery store in Peoria, Arizona. And they had like a little Korean little place we could go eat at, just like, you know, how go right into Walmart, they have McDonald's or something like that. Well, this was a Korean place where they have sushis, bobas, and stuff like that. And it's called Lily's, the grocery store. And yes, you stop there and we on our way to work. It's in Peoria, Arizona. My enchiladas is way better than this. Like, I can cook better enchiladas than this right here. Like, literally, but maybe that's what I'll do next time. I'll cook my own enchiladas, better version, and have a home mukbang of my own cooked enchiladas. And remember, this is not a sponsor video. It's just, you know, me eating and drinking, and that's it. So, yeah. That's really how they put it in the cup. Suck it up. Suck up your own bobos. Bobas, whatever I fucking call it. Oh my gosh. Mhm. Mhm. You really like the music, yeah. In case you didn't know. Right now, that is like my favorite song right now that I've been listening to a lot. In case you didn't know. That one and If I Told You. Those are my two, favorite songs that I like. I'll leave it down in the description down below so you can check out my favorite songs that I really love and really like. But yeah, those are my two favorite songs right now that I like, in case you didn't know. And If I Told You. And don't forget to like, share, and comment all the questions down below. And yeah, subscribe to this channel, Marie Castillo, and we'll see you guys on my next video. Bye now.